expert insights into the world of automobiles. Today, we bring you an exciting look at the all-new Do Safar 2.5 GMC Terrain, a compact SUV that combines rugged styling, advanced technology, and enhanced performance to offer a compelling package for SUV enthusiasts. If you're looking for a vehicle that blends capability with comfort, this new model might just be the perfect choice for you. The Do Safar 2.5 GMC Terrain has received a bold redesign, drawing inspiration from its larger GMC siblings to create a more aggressive and modern appearance. The front fascia now features a redesigned grille that gives the SUV a stronger road presence, complemented by sleek LED headlights that improve visibility and add to its sophisticated look. The body lines are sharper, the wheel options are more stylish, and the overall stance of the vehicle is now more commanding than ever before. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling off-road adventures, the new Terrain is built to turn heads. Under the hood, the Do Safar 2.5 Terrain is powered by a 1.5-LITER turbocharged 4-cylinder engine delivering 175 horsepower. This engine is paired with either a continuously variable transmission for front-wheel drive models or an 8-speed automatic transmission for those who opt for all-wheel drive. This combination ensures smooth acceleration, improved fuel efficiency, and enough power to handle daily commutes as well as weekend getaways. While the Terrain is not a high-performance SUV, its refined engine and transmission make it a reliable and efficient choice for most drivers. One of the standout features of the new Terrain is its advanced technology suite. Inside the cabin, you'll find a massive 15-inch diagonal premium GMC infotainment system that offers seamless connectivity, an intuitive interface, and support for Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is complemented by an 11-inch diagonal driver information center, which provides essential vehicle data and enhances the driving experience. The Terrain also comes equipped with built-in Google services, making it easier than ever to navigate, communicate, and access entertainment on the go. Comfort and convenience have also been prioritized in the Do Safar 2.5 Terrain. Heated front seats and a heated steering wheel come standard, ensuring that passengers stay comfortable even in colder climates. The interior materials have been upgraded to provide a more premium feel, and the spacious seating arrangement ensures that both the driver and passengers have ample legroom. The rear seats can be folded down to create additional cargo space, making it easy to transport larger items when needed. Safety is another area where the new Terrain excels. GMC has included over 15 standard safety and driver assistance technologies, making this SUV one of the safest options in its segment. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a rear camera mirror help drivers stay aware of their surroundings and prevent accidents. The Terrain also includes GMC's Pro Safety Plus package, which adds even more advanced safety systems for extra peace of mind. For those who love off-road adventures, the Do Safar 2.5 GMC Terrain offers an available all-wheel drive system that enhances traction and stability on rough terrain. While it's not a hardcore off-roader, the Terrain's AWD system and terrain management modes allow it to handle dirt roads, light trails, and challenging weather conditions with confidence. If you're someone who enjoys exploring new places, this SUV provides the capability you need without compromising on everyday drivability. The Do Safar 2.5 GMC Terrain is expected to hit dealerships by late Do Safar 2.4, with a starting price of around 31,395. With its refreshed styling, upgraded tech features, and improved comfort, it's a strong contender in the compact SUV market. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly vehicle, a reliable daily driver, or a stylish ride with advanced features, the new Terrain offers something for everyone. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment with your thoughts on the Do Safar 2.5 GMC Terrain. If you're new to Auto Ravaranj, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update on the latest cars and automotive news. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and we'll see you in the next video.